I got
flour
shells inside.
कुछ लोग यहाँ पे सिर्फ बोलते हैं great chef. Either you are going to have a brownie to eat or there'll be a brownie to drink. Hi guys, my name is Anupama and welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic and wish you all a Merry Christmas. I just realized yesterday that we are in the last week of 2020. So, you know what? I thought let's do something fun this last week. Like, let's bid adieu to 2020 in style. So, I thought for all these 7 days of this week, I'm going to be posting one video per day. Like, it's going to be a challenge because I have never personally done it. The videos are going to be pretty random, but they will be fun. I assure you of that. So since we are starting on the occasion of Christmas, I thought let's do a brownie challenge. So it's going to be a brownie challenge between me and Sahil, and it's going to be fun because you know why? Neither of us can bake. Both of us have not made brownies earlier, so this is actually going to be our first attempt. I'm sure it's going to be fun to see how our brownies turn out. Okay, that came out wrong. Yeah, so however they turn out to be, you're going to see the end results and let's see who wins. So yesterday we watched a couple of YouTube videos on how to make brownie, and we listed down the ingredients that we require, and we went out and bought all those ingredients in equal quantity for both of us so that everything is fair. Now each of us are allowed to improvise on the recipe if we want, and we are allowed to choose the toppings that we want to make it all pretty and Christmassy. And right now we are going to quickly get ready for the challenge and let's see who wins. Before proceeding, you guys know what to do. Click on that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you are notified of all the fun videos that I post. Do it now. Let's go. So guys, here is the competitor. We are now ready. Everything that we need is kept here. This is actually going to be our tray because we are two people, so we have only one baking tray, proper baking tray. So instead we are going to use these two of similar size. Everything in this competition is
I think we have divided everything equally so that nobody gets to complain कि मेरे को ज़्यादा मिला, मेरे को कम मिला. But I think you know what? She chose a wrong competition for her first time baking because I'm like the champ.
What? Okay, so
the rules are simple. We start baking.
And there is no time limit क्योंकि दोनों कच्चे खिलाड़ी हैं.
तो अगर baking करते करते कल सुबह भी हो गया तो it's okay.
We are still going to record and show you guys.
So let's begin.
चलो.
All the best.
All the best.
So let the competition begin. So I have my
अपना Cadbury.
dairy milk. I'm not going to use the entire one.
बाकी का खा लेंगे.
2 minutes into the baking challenge, I have cut my chocolate. She's still struggling with her
Butter paper.
So my chocolate is in the bowl.
It's so difficult to actually put this butter paper inside. I wish school में थोड़ा crafts class में थोड़ा ध्यान दिया होता तो.
Ranu is still struggling with the butter paper. I'm using the traditional way of melting the chocolate. The chocolate is melted, I'll put butter. That is what we are supposed to do, I guess. I think that should be enough.
I'm ready with my chocolate. I don't know if this is the right consistency. The videos make it look so simple.
What's the next step?
I don't know. I'm gonna put a secret ingredients. I'm gonna put some thoda sa coffee powder.
But you are not supposed to do that, right? You are supposed to follow a same.
No.
This is actually cheating.
We said we can improvise on the recipe.
But you said at the end.
No, that's the topping. ये तो मैंने कल से ही सोच के रखा था. Oh no, wait. You need to wear this cap. I forgot. I totally forgot.
If you want to give us Christmas gifts, you should give wine, whiskey, or something like that. She's giving this 20 rupee cap.
Huh. Do you have any Christmas memories?
I actually have a lot of Christmas memories when we were kids. So when we see a Santa Claus, we used to run behind him, thinking that he's gonna give us chocolates or gifts or anything. But we never knew what he was, right? I mean, whenever Santa came, we were like, he's this big, red-colored, old guy. Yeah. And we were like, अरे ये दिसंबर में कहाँ से आ जाता है बंदा चॉकलेट देने के लिए? And we all kids will be like running behind him wherever he went, you know, to different buildings. We will be behind him just in case if he throws some chocolates.
For me, now Christmas, I don't know if you have ever come across this. In Kerala, you get this kind of a cake with hard icing, and that's the best thing ever. Next time we go to Kerala, I'm going to make you taste this. It is of hard icing, sugar icing, and they put like a rose or something on top, and it's not of cream, it's hard. Like you can just take it and bite into it. It's the best thing ever. Like I have not had that hard icing cake anywhere outside Kerala.
I don't know if you guys know any place outside Kerala where they give that hard icing cake. Please let me know in the comment section. Like, I want to have that. You're going there, you must have that. It's one of the most underrated things ever.
Okay, I've made this mixture of chocolate, butter, cocoa powder and coffee, and now we're gonna break some eggs.
So I just forgot to tell Anu that how good a chef I am. Like I said, no, she chose a wrong competition to have her first baking challenge. Let's beat the eggs.
So he is putting his egg into
I got
flour and
shells inside. I don't think that is good. People who will eat by brownies are gonna have a hard time.
so just a tip from all the videos that I saw, break your egg into the bowl first, because that way if shell falls into the bowl, you can take out the shell before you mix something.
She's
with it.
telling me now.
We are competitors. I want you to screw up.
Guys, I always wanted to use the beater, but I never got to use this one. Today I got my chance, you know. I just want to see how it beats my mixture.
Mine is coming together, guys. Tell me, Team Sahil or Team Anu? I'm winning.
How do we fold?
Don't try to copy.
It's okay, it's okay. I have a lot of YouTube videos I can check how to fold.
ऐसा देख. Fold. So since you've whisked, it's become fluffy. So you should not like stir it. You need to fold it carefully so that you don't let all that fluffiness and the air that is got inside the mixture go away. See, I'm such a good contestant, such a good opponent. I'm giving him tips.
So my mixture has become very weird. If you see, it's a little gooey.
Look at
If
my
you
mixture.
see, Anu's mixture is, I guess, more consistent. And it has a good color actually. Nice brown, fudgy color.
Thank you, thank you. कुछ लोग यहाँ पे सिर्फ बोलते हैं great chef, but
We'll see. This is gonna be a good cake.
so it looks like Sahil's brownie is rising and mine is staying pretty flat. Mom looked at the batter consistency and she said कि mine is tad bit watery.
This is Anu's. And this is mine.
Either you are going to have a brownie to eat or there'll be a brownie to drink. So we've both got our brownies out. Sahil's has actually risen quite a bit. मेरा थोड़ा ज़्यादा rise नहीं हुआ है, but Sahil's is a little bit dry.
Yeah, mine is dry. I think hers is.
He kept it for more time. So we've got this Hershey's ka chocolate syrup, and we're gonna decorate it with chocolate syrup
Start.
over chocolate brownies. So we're both done with our brownies. I think let's take it near the camera and show them.
This is mine. So you can see it's a little fluffy. So this is Anu's. I think presentation, I think we can give her marks. but
Mine
it's-
is the more childish one.
Yeah, but it's not fluffy. So let's now
मतलब
taste.
points ही ढूंढता रहता है. अच्छा है तो भी points ही ढूंढता रहता
Yeah, I'm gonna
है. So now let's see Team Sahil or Team Anu. We are now going to taste. Let me wear my Christmas cap.
So we will taste and we will rate each other's brownie on 5. Let me take a bite with piece of gems.
I can hear the crunch.
It's actually nice, soft, properly baked. The only thing is it's not fluffy and the sugar is little less.
Very health
nice.
conscious brownies.
So I think I'll give her out of 5 a 4.
Oh, that's generous. Oh. Okay, so now let me dig in. Very nice. Very crunchy. A tad bit drying the inside part, but very good. We are not as bad chefs as we thought.
For first time baking. Turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, we can actually give our friends.
We are not going to at least kill them. I'll give you, I'm a little confused between 3.5 and 4. On 3.75. So yeah, that was a fun brownie challenge. In fact, when I started this video, I thought ki me or Sahil or maybe both of us, we'll just screw it up. We'll either burn the brownie or make it inedible, ki we'll not be able to even have one bite of it. But it turned out much better. And yeah, as you saw, I got 4 and Sahil got 3.75. So clearly, who's the winner?
Okay, hi guys. Yes, like Anu said, it was a fun challenge, but I think she is the clear winner because her brownie was,
Yours was just a little bit drying, that's it.
yeah, thank
And
you so much.
presentation mera acha tha.
So her presentation was good, her brownie was good. Mine, only thing was that it was fluffy. But the good thing was,
yes.
it was our first time baking something.
We had kept side में वो जो measuring cups होते हैं, that 1 cup,
We
half cup.
never
one-
used it.
We just didn't.
Whatever we had, we just put it inside.
I'm telling you guys, like our table was so messy. We spilled everything. We dropped everything. We were like kids. Messy kids.
Baking for the first time, it was edible. So next time when our friends come, we can actually give it to them saying that we baked brownies.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Yeah.
And I hope you guys had fun on this Christmas. Do let me know in the comment section how you guys liked this video and how did you celebrate Christmas. Like, I want to read it all. Like, read everything about how you guys are celebrating these festivals. Let me know in the comment section.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends, families, especially for people like Anu who are like individual YouTubers. You subscribers, the viewers, and
And I
supporters
love
are
you
very
guys so
important.
much.
Yeah. She loves you. Yeah, she loves you. Actually loves you.
I'm trying my best to give you guys like all the entertaining content that I can. So please do subscribe to my channel. Please do share. Please do comment. Please do hit that like button because I know you guys are enjoying my videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video because it was a blast. Like we had a blast.
We had fun.
And until we meet again next time, bye.